Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'll be giving you guys some insight into removing the headliner of a BMW E34 Touring. Now a quick disclaimer, I'm not an expert and this is my first time doing it, but it would have helped me a lot had I known where all the clips were and other such stuff, so I'll just be going over that here basically. And I also haven't got to the sunroof panels yet, and I'll be covering that in a future video. What I recommend for this is starting from the back, and to begin with, you remove the D-pillars. And to remove the D-pillar, there's a couple screws hidden behind like the anchor points, and there's some clips along the D-pillar itself. And then you just start removing the stuff for this back portion of the headliner. For the most part, things are held together with clips, but in some places there will be some screws, and generally, if this video doesn't cover it well enough for you, or if your car is a little different, you can kind of just feel things out and like kind of tug at things gently, and you'll find them. And for this, you kind of need one of those like plastic trim removal tools, and if you do things right, you can get away without breaking any clips. For the headliner that runs along the sides of the sunroof, you'll have to remove the C-pillar, which comes out by pulling these clips here. And then you also have to pull it out at the bottom here. There's another clip. You also need to pop out the B-pillar, but otherwise it just slides out from the window seal. And also you have to remove the grab handles, which are held together in these two screws here, along with some plastic things. You can remove it with the grab handles still attached if the grab handles don't come off very easily. And by this point, you're almost all the way done, which is pretty good. Oh, also you'll have to remove some lights, but again, you just remove things and pull at things gingerly. Make sure you disconnect all the wires. It's very intuitive, methodical, and you just need to be very careful with things. Alright, as you can see, I pretty much have the entire headliner out. And if you've got to this point, I think that's pretty much the hardest part. I'm going to do the sunroof panels later. I'll probably do that in another video. I'll also include a link in the description to a video by M3, name is Josh, that I think is a good reference point. And now I'll show you guys how to remove this last front panel here. But yeah, it's pretty intuitive mostly. You just have to have trim removal tools and be very careful not to break all the 35-year-old plastic. To remove these, it's basically just a T20, and if you don't have one of those, you can use a drill bit in a socket like this. Again, there is some wires that you're going to need to disconnect, so you just drop the headliner a little bit and then reach in and disconnect things. But basically it's just clips and disconnecting wires, and you kind of just pop everything off, and it's all very simple. I know this video wasn't the best quality, but I just figured some people could use the reference point for where clips go and stuff. I didn't plan on filming this in the first place, so it was kind of badly done. So comment down below if you want me to update this video and be more in depth. Also, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I go by the same handle as here for anything more specific, or if you want photos and such. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.